The government of the centre is in a huddle because there's likely to be now a discussion when it comes to Operation Sindoor and the top leaders of the government. Series of strategy huddles by the top mantris of the Modi government. Remember that Prime Minister chaired a key meeting with the BJP ministers in the parliament. That happened. There was an appeal that there would be an expectation of unity of all parliamentarians across the board to have a smooth session. However, after the fireworks, the kind of chaos we saw in the morning, both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, now Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and BJP President JP Nadda, who's of course the leader of the House and the Rajya Sabha as well, have been in a huddle. Who else are there? We have the inside scoop. Let me take you through the names. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Manohar Lal Khattar, Nirmala Sitharaman, Shivraj Singh, Kiran Rijiju, Jai Shankar also are attending this meeting. So whether Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, the top leaders, especially the ministers of the Modi government, have been meeting because they want to deliberate further. The opposition is ready. They want to corner the government. One, as Mallikarjun Kharge, the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, asked, where are the butchers of Pahalgam? And as JP Nadda then clarified and said, all details will be given. But the opposition is prepared. They want to corner the government at the centre on different issues while discussing Operation Sindoor and the Pahalgam attack as well of 22nd April. So that's the big news coming in. So what happened this morning? We saw that there was full-on commotion in the Rajya Sabha over the Air India crash. There was the Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu who gave an elaborate statement, but in the background there were consistent sloganeering asking where is the Prime Minister? He needs to be present in the Parliament. But it was in the Lok Sabha that had to be adjourned because even when the government leaders, the ministers were speaking, full-on commotion by the opposition in the background. My colleague Piyush Mishra for the latest on that. Piyush, tell us about how the top leaders, the ministers of the government, who are present and what kind of deliberations are on.
Well, these are very important meetings. Those are now going on in Parliament, Pooja, in which the top leaders of the government, were present. What we are now learning is that the leaders like Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, JP Nadda, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Manohar Lal Khattar, Nirmala Sitharaman, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Kiran Rijiju, and Union Minister for External Affairs, Jai Shankar, and Jai Shankar was also present. So it's a very important meeting which is now,
Okay.
It's the second round of meeting which is taking place in Parliament, and the discussions are basically taking place after the BAC has decided to have a proper discussion on Operation Sindoor for at least 16 hours in Lok Sabha. We'll have to wait and watch how the discussions on Operation Sindoor goes on and what kind of questions the opposition is now going to ask from the government.
All right, Piyush and all our colleagues, full team of India Today is on the ground and will be tracking how this Parliament session, very crucial one, after Pahalgam, after Operation Sindoor, will be on.